So we just found out that we need grub on our system, and we're going to rebuild the ISO, as simple as that. If you're in this business, it's quite common to build ISOs. Change one thing, that's my tip. Don't change several things, one thing, see if it works. Okay, change the next thing. If you change a lot of things at the same point in time, you always get the idea, hey, which one is now the problem? You don't know it, so you have to start again anyway. So grub is new. We remember we ended up with 1000, right? 1001. 1001 stories. And much more builds. Let's maybe wait for the ISO to pop out and pause the recording. Alright, I was away from my computer, but the system just keeps running, right? You have it out and you have a new ISO. And with that we conclude, no, we're not going to include it in the video because otherwise it's a video of 1 minute, I see. We're going to include the installation of VirtualBox here. So choose a disk file, it's always in the folder you're working, Carli 7 out, and in there you just boot it up. So the change between the other video is grub. We've put grub on our system, on our ISO. And we hope for the best. Maybe we need some more other stuff, because lots of Arch ISO things have changed. So the Arch ISO is a package that builds ISOs that ArcoLinux uses. We use it as well, but we end up in a graphical environment and we say, Calamares, come on, you do the job. Graphical way to greet a user, and a little bit easier on the typing at least. But it's quite complex, of course. Yes, it is. We get that. But there are great tutorials how to install ArcoLinux the Arch way, as I say. And the best tip I can give you is take our system, take our way of installing it. I test it almost monthly. And then again, take 2-3 other ways of guides or ArcoLinux guides, and take a mixture and find your way around, maybe one in your own language. And it's going to be always the same, all the same commands, right? Oh, I hate this difficult thing always. Capital letters and numbers and all that. But that's the standard setting. Calamares. I get that. Security must be. Doesn't mean I have to like it. So we're waiting for the installation, and let's pause the video until we are somewhere in here, and then the grub thing has to start. This you can see in other videos as well. So this is just Plasma with all the games you can have on board, and Plasma is fun. Show alternatives. You can take this one, switch, and you have maybe something you like better. But the games again are so divided in these folders, so you don't see exactly what's in there. Configure application menu, and you say, what was it again? Flatten submenus. Menus. Okay, go. Click on this one, games. Now it's no longer in any kind of folder, so we quickly see what game was it again, or what application was it again. It's a long list, and I prefer it like that. You can quickly have a look what's inside your system. All right, let's pause the video. All right, everything is unsquashed. That takes the longest time. That's in the beginning, and the grub is at the end. So we do hope we don't see any message anymore. So removing 20 packages, install bootloader, cool, that's grub, right? And we're done. Restart, please. And then you have built your own system. we are booting from existing OS. This is grub. Thank God we're booting. And there we go. We have created Carli 7, working just fine. And Yakuwake, kind of like Yakuwake. Even the name I like. F12, okay. So F12, NeoFetch, have we installed that? Yes, we have. This is an ArcoLinux system in VirtualBox, 5.7.6 as kernel, 0 seconds uptime, 1085 packages, bash is running, Plasma, Kwin, Breeze, Yakuwake, and all the. Look at the size. Look at that. 529 memory. That's not much, to say the least. So guys, our Carli 7 is cool. I could include, it's 6 minutes 15. We've got internet, if you're wondering. Well, if I can do an update, you've got internet, right? Sudo pacma -syyu. Let's get everything in. Ooh, that's not my password. The difficult password. There you go. We got internet. Did we install Yay? Ooh, we've got Yay. Okay, everything up to date. So there you are. We have a system. It's your system. You create whatever you want to put on here. Anything goes as long as from the ArcoLinux, right? Or even ArcoLinux if you want to. So the repos, I mean. Or you create your own package. Put it to your own repo. Ctrl-Alt-T. Remember one of the videos. Oh yeah, difficult password. We have our own Carli repo, right? All the packages that you like, you want, you put it on there, and then you just put it in the text in the packages.conf there. You just packages something else, not .conf. You put the package name. That's simple as that. Let's take a look at the package name. So in here we have no, up here, in here 86x8664. Put it in here, whatever you like. Grub was needed. Without grub, Calamars can't put in, well, grub and all its packages, and it needs to run grub install. And Yabin and NeoFetch are the ones we've put on our own GitHub, or our own well, correct repo on GitHub. All right, I'm out. Enjoy using the knowledge we provide you, and create your own ISO. All right, bye.